What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So I know last night on my live I said that I would be going live again tonight, getting back on track, but today is my birthday, so I'm not going to be doing a live. But tomorrow I'm going to do a video on starting your own credit repair, credit restoration, or credit solutions business. I'm going to teach you exactly what you got to do to get started without knowing anything. Like, you literally don't have to have any experience, and it's called outsourcing. A lot of companies do this. They reach out to me, I do the work for them for a flat fee. It is a really good fee and a good way to make extra income. And again, I do all the work for you. You pay me X amount of dollars monthly, and I do all the letters for all your clients. All you have to do is get the clients, get the leads, get them to sign up, and then send them to me, and I will get started on them right away. But again, I will make a video on that tomorrow. I hope everybody has a great night.